There's nothing better than smooth and silky skin. And with the Tress Wellness Waxing Kit, it's easier than ever. With easy-to-follow step-by-step instructions, the kit comes with everything you need, so there's no need to leave the comfort of your home. Made of natural and certified cruelty-free ingredients, the premium hard wax beads minimize irritation, attaches only to the hair and not to your skin, making it safe for all skin types and all hair types. Simply heat up the warmer to the max, pour in your preferred scented beads, prepare the area you wish to wax with the Tress Wellness Pre-Wax Spray, and wait until dry. When the beads are melted, don't forget to turn the temperature down. With our digital display, you maintain a steady temperature at all times so you don't burn your skin. When the wax is at the correct temperature, apply generously with pressure to the skin in the direction of the hair growth. The spatula should be standing up when applying the wax. This gives better pressure and makes it easier to spread the wax. Wait until the wax is no longer sticky, then stretch your skin lightly and tear off quickly. It's that simple. After waxing, use the Tress Wellness After Wax Spray to smooth and moisturize the skin. No more expensive salon visits. Save time and money. No more ugly and painful ingrown hair from shaving. No more ripped and damaged skin from traditional strip waxing. With hard wax, you get smooth and silky skin, and your hair will grow back slower and finer with each waxing session. And when you're finished, it's easy to clean. Let it cool down and store away. Bring the salon to your front door with Tress Wellness Waxing Kit.